So, can AI read your mind? This is a topic that I thought was genuinely science fiction, but according to recent research papers, not only from Mark Zuckerberg's Meta and many other esteemed researchers, we are now seeing that this is a true possibility. AI does have the ability to read your mind, but we're going to, of course, break that down because some things aren't what they seem and some things are a little bit scarier than they seem. So I just want to state that the narrative of this video isn't one of the Terminator 1 where AIs managed to point a laser beam at our foreheads and then instantly read our minds. It's more so about the technology of AI and what the future could be like if this technology continues to develop at that significant pace. So what I first want to talk about was the research paper that was actually released a couple of months ago. And then later in the video, I'm going to talk about Meta's research paper, which was literally just released a couple of days ago, and show you just how far things have truly come and exactly what the future of this AI development space is going to look like. So what we're looking at right here is Mind Video, okay? This is cinematic mindscapes, high quality video reconstruction from brain activity. We propose Mind Video, which progressively learns the spatiotemporal information from continuous fMRI data through masked brain modeling and multimodal contrastive learning, and spatiotemporal attention and co-training with an augmented stable diffusion model that incorporates network temporal inflation. So I know that this is a bunch of jargon to most people, but essentially what they're able to do is they're able to reconstruct videos based on the fMRI data. Now, of course, what you can see on this webpage is something truly interesting. What we can see right here is what we have the ground truth videos, and then of course we have the reconstructed videos. So on the left hand side, this is essentially what the person who is being shown the images is seeing, okay? So this is the real true video that the person is seeing. Then of course, on the right hand side, we have the reconstructed videos based on that fMRI data. So one of the first concerning questions that I asked when I was looking at this research paper and the data around this is, what is that fMRI data and how do they capture this in order to be able to reconstruct these videos? Because as someone who wants to learn more and more about AI research, it's concerning when you hear AI can now read our mind if they get some data from us. So how do they get fMRI data? So for those of you who are concerned, an fMRI scan essentially is one that measures brain activity by detecting changes associated with the blood flow. This technique relies on the fact that cerebral blood flow and neuron activity are coupled.